All right, mind shifters, I'm about to do this amazing ACV foot soak. So you all are gonna see the before my feet and the after. So you wanna pour about anywhere between a half a cup to a cup of apple cider vinegar, pour like a capsule of Listerine, and maybe a fourth a cup of Epsom salt. So you're not going to see me do it, but that's what you want to add to it. You're just going to see my before and my after. So I apologize. My feet are really, they're really, yeah. They're gnarly, guys. They're gnarly. All right, let's see. So I'm going to soak for about 20 minutes and then I will come back to you guys. I've also added a little bit of tea tree oil in there. Ooh, it feels good, guys. So after I soak these dogs, I am going to scrape away the dead skin. I am going to clean under my nails. I am going to trim my nails. And ooh, man, this feels really, it's like tingly. It feels really good. Just relax, clear your mind, watch a show, read a book, just relax. I'm on my feet all day. You hear my stomach growling, guys? Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Why did I say that looks so good? Like I'm looking at my food, but it looks a lot better, guys. Try to give you a close up. Yeah, that's smooth. That's dead skin. It just came right on off. I put some coconut oil and yes. That right side, I'm gonna have to work on that one. But this one, ooh, that's nice and smooth. Put some tea tree oil on my nail beds. Make them healthy. And I may do this soak every week or every other day or something. Get my feet back to where they need to be. Take care of your feet, guys.